How long does it take Acorn to withdraw money? Intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes Acorn to withdraw money. I know that this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, so I'm excited to finally be able to answer it for you. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to remind you that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Body. So, how long does it take Acorn to withdraw money? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including the type of withdrawal you are making, the method you are using to withdraw money, the current state of Acorn system, types of withdrawals. There are two main types of withdrawals that you can make from Acorn. Instant withdrawals. These withdrawals are processed immediately and the funds are available to you right away. Standard withdrawals. These withdrawals take 1 to 3 business days to process. Methods of withdrawal. There are a few different methods that you can use to withdraw money from Acorn. Bank transfer. This is the most common method of withdrawal. It typically takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to transfer to your bank account. Check. You can also request a check from Acorn. This is a good option if you don't have a bank account or if you want to withdraw a large amount of money. Cash out. If you have a linked debit card, you can use it to withdraw cash from an ATM. Current state of Acorn system. Acorn is a growing company, and their systems are constantly being updated. This can sometimes lead to delays in processing withdrawals. If you are making a withdrawal, it is important to be patient and allow for some extra time for the funds to transfer to your account. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips that you can keep in mind when withdrawing money from Acorn. Make sure that your bank account information is up to date. Double-check the amount of your withdrawal before submitting it. If you have any questions, contact Acorn customer support. Conclusion. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll see you next time. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more personal finance tips.